are pleased to show you the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, power windows, MP3 player, bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.